This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cocktail sausages. First, select your favorite variety of cocktail sausages, which are typically found fully cooked or pre-cooked. Pat them thoroughly dry with a paper towel. This simple step helps achieve a delightful golden brown exterior. Next, have any accompanying sauces or glazes ready, such as barbecue, honey garlic, or a sweet chili. Being prepared ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. For a quick and delicious stovetop method, begin by heating a large skillet or frying pan over medium heat for about 2 minutes. Then, add 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil, such as olive or canola, to coat the pan. Place the cocktail sausages in a single layer, ensuring they do not overcrowd the pan, which allows for even cooking. Sauté them for 8 to 10 minutes, turning frequently, until they are beautifully golden brown on all sides and heated through. This quick approach delivers a wonderfully satisfying crunch. If you prefer an oven-baked approach, start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it reaches the correct temperature. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup easier. Arrange the cocktail sausages in a single layer, giving each one space to cook evenly and thoroughly. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, turning them halfway through until they are heated through and delightfully caramelized. For added flavor, brush on a glaze during the final 5 minutes. For effortless cooking, the slow cooker is an excellent choice, perfect for entertaining. Simply combine your cocktail sausages with approximately 1 1/2 cups of your preferred sauce directly in the slow cooker pot. Popular choices include classic barbecue, a savory grape jelly and chili sauce mix, or a tangy honey mustard. Cook them on low for 2 to 3 hours, or on high for 1 to 1 1/2 hours, stirring occasionally. This method infuses the sausages with incredible flavor and keeps them warm for hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.